Hey there, aspiring migrants. Welcome back to the Borderless Network, your go-to channel for everything migration and travel. If you're looking to work and live in Canada, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the Atlantic Immigration Pilot Program, a fantastic pathway for skilled workers and international graduates to settle in one of the 4 beautiful Atlantic provinces of Canada: New Brunswick, Nova Scotia, Prince Edward Island, and Newfoundland and Labrador. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button if you find this video useful, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and guides on migrating to different countries. Alright, let's jump in. Step 1. Find a job offer. The first step to applying for the AIPP is to secure a job offer from a designated employer in one of the Atlantic provinces. These employers are approved by the provinces to hire foreign workers. You can find the list of designated employers on the official immigration websites of New Brunswick, Nova Scotia, Prince Edward Island, and Newfoundland and Labrador. Let's talk a bit more about finding that job offer. Designated employers are companies that have been vetted by the provincial governments to participate in the AIPP. This means they are recognized as legitimate employers with the need and capability to hire foreign workers. The official provincial immigration websites maintain updated lists of these employers, which you can browse to find potential job opportunities. When you're looking for a job offer, it's important to ensure that it is full-time and non-seasonal. Full-time means that you should be working at least 30 hours per week. Non-seasonal implies that the job should be ongoing and not just for a specific season or temporary period. This is crucial because the AIPP aims to bring in workers who can contribute to the economy year-round and integrate into the community. Make sure your job offer meets the specific requirements of the AIPP stream you are applying through. For example, the Atlantic High Skilled Program requires a job offer for a position classified under the National Occupational Classification (NOCI) skill level 0, A, or B. The Atlantic Intermediate Skilled Program, on the other hand, requires a job offer for a position classified under NOC skill level C. It's also essential to check that your job offer aligns with your skills and qualifications. Employers will expect you to have the relevant education, experience, and skills to perform the job effectively. This means you should be prepared to provide proof of your qualifications, such as diplomas, certificates, and references from previous employers. When you find a suitable job offer, you'll need to receive a formal letter of employment from the employer. This letter should outline the terms and conditions of your employment, including your job title, salary, duties, and the length of the employment contract. Make sure to keep this letter safe, as you will need it for your AIPP application. Now, let's move on to step 2. Get a settlement plan. Once you have a job offer, the next step is to get a settlement plan. This plan will help you and your family adjust to life in Atlantic Canada. You can get your settlement plan through a recognized settlement service provider. Your employer will assist you in contacting these providers. Step 3. Employer endorsement. After getting your settlement plan, your employer needs to apply for an endorsement from the province. The endorsement is a crucial part of the process, as it shows that the province supports your application for permanent residency. This step involves your employer submitting your job offer and settlement plan to the province for approval. Step 4. Apply for permanent residency. Once you have your endorsement letter, it's time to apply for permanent residency through Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada, or IRCC. You can apply online or by paper. Make sure to include your endorsement letter and other required documents, such as your job offer, settlement plan, and proof of work experience. Processing times can vary, but you can expect to wait several months for your application to be processed. During this time, you may be eligible to apply for a temporary work permit to start working in Canada, while your permanent residency application is being processed. Step 5. Prepare for arrival. While waiting for your application to be processed, start preparing for your move to Canada. Research your new home, arrange accommodation, and get familiar with the local community. Make sure to also gather any documents you might need for your move, such as health records, school records for your children, and financial documents. Important tips. Here are some important tips to keep in mind while applying for the AIPP. Language requirements. Make sure to meet the minimum language requirements for your stream. You will need to take an approved language test in English or French, Educational Credential Assessment or ECA. If you studied outside Canada, you will need an ECA to show that your education is equivalent to Canadian standards. Work experience. Ensure you meet the work experience requirements for the stream you are applying under. This includes having relevant work experience in a related field. Remember, the AIPP is an employer-driven program, so your job offer and endorsement are critical. Work closely with your employer and follow their guidance throughout the process. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to applying for the Atlantic Immigration Pilot Program. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the Borderless Network for more insightful content on migrating to different parts of the world. Have questions or need more information? Drop a comment below and we'll do our best to help you out. Thanks for watching and good luck on your journey to Canada.